Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Samsung, particularly Samsung A10. I believe this method works for some models, but in this video, I'm going to particularly be hard resetting Samsung A10. So here is it. The next thing to do here is to power it off. Just go ahead and power it off. Let me power it off. Power off. Power off. So as we wait for that, please, I have a request, and your help is needed. I am in a race to hit 1 million subscribers, currently at 72, so your help is needed. All you have to do right now before we get started is on your screen, you will see this red subscribe button. Please help me click on it, and we're good to go. So I have powered the telephone off, and let me go into the hard resetting process. So here, hold down your button key, the power button, and the volume up together. The power button and the volume up together. Hold them together. Just keep on holding, 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 okay, until you get to this place, as you can see. So what you have to do here now is to use the volume down, then go for wipe data factory reset. Use the volume down. Let's go down here. Then use the power button to select the power button. Then here, use the volume down, go for yes. Then use the power button to select. And there, here we go. So leave it at reboot system now. Just use the power button, select. So it's rebooting. So if here is going to take a while, maybe up to 3 minutes to open. I think it's going to take a while, but I don't think I'm going to wait till the end. But at the end of it, you will see that it works 100 or 1000%. So if at the end of it, if you have not subscribed yet and you discover that the video really helped you, please do not forget to click on that red subscribe button below your screen by the right hand side. Thank you for watching, and God bless.